Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to reconcile your budget in EveryDollar, the fantastic app from Dave Ramsey that helps you take control of your finances. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a tip on mastering your money. Now, let's get straight to it. Reconciling your budget means double-checking that your planned spending matches your actual transactions, ensuring everything adds up and you're on track. It's like balancing your checkbook but way easier with EveryDollar. First things first, open up the EveryDollar app on your phone or computer and log in. Once you're in, head to the Budget tab where all your categories are laid out. This is your starting point. Now, grab your bank statements or check your online banking. Accuracy is key here. Go through each category one by one. For example, if you budgeted $200 for groceries, compare that to what you actually spent. EveryDollar makes this simple by letting you add transactions manually or import them directly from your bank. Next, look for any discrepancies. Did you overspend in dining out? Mark it in the app so you can adjust for next month. EveryDollar has a handy reconciliation feature. Click on the category, enter your actual amounts, and use the Reconcile button to flag items as matched. Don't forget to categorize any uncategorized transactions to keep things tidy. This step might take a few minutes, but it's worth it for that peace of mind. A pro tip. Do this at the end of every month to catch issues early and stay accountable. If you find errors, like a forgotten subscription, note it and adjust your budget accordingly. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. There you have it. Reconciling your budget in EveryDollar is straightforward and empowering. Give it a try this week and watch your financial clarity soar. If you found this helpful, drop a like and comment below with your biggest budgeting win. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.